Hello everyone, this is Leo and welcome to my today's English practice video. Have you ever met this situation? You have a beautiful porcelain, but unfortunately it slipped from your hand and shattered. And after you piecing it back together, you just found a small piece is missing. Today I'm going to introduce a skill that can help you solve this problem, molding. And this skill is also one of Chinese traditional intangible cultural heritage. Let's start today's video. Upon arriving at this community art gallery, I was surprised to find that it was opening day. The place was buzzing with people, and it also has a line dancing performance. Now we have arrived at the workshop. You can see in the table we have a plate, we have a peanuts, and also we have a little brush. You can see on the table are ancient ceramics dating back several hundred years. Teacher explained that they specialize in restoration of ancient ceramics, focusing on faithful restoration for display or archaeological purposes. And these techniques are not suitable for repairing household ceramics, which are typically restored using some methods like 金扇或者是锯刺. And in the presentation, you can see one ceramic piece in its broken state and its appearance after restoration. So let's get started with today's hand-on work, molding. What's the first step? So the first step is to use this brush to paint the release agent on this penis. And then you should use some hot water to soften this material. Now, after using the hot water, this hard material has turned into this. Now you can put your peanuts into this. Like this. And the other part. And put these two parts together. Now this material is hot again. We remove these peanuts. That's good. After creating your own mold, you can pour some plaster into it and wait for it to harden.
A few moments later.
Now I have opened my mold, and you can see this the result. This is really similar with this real peanuts, right? Thanks for joining me on this journal. See you in the next video.